Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Tap the shared link to open Alight Motion if the app is installed. If your device prompts for a browser choice, select Open in App or copy the URL. Allow storage and media permissions when prompted so the project can be imported correctly. If the link points to a file, download it to your device first. Use a Wi-Fi connection for faster download and to avoid mobile data charges. Keep Alight Motion updated to the latest version for best compatibility with shared links. Download the project file first if the link points to a downloadable file. Locate the file in your Downloads folder or File Manager after the transfer completes. Open Alight Motion and tap the Import button to load the downloaded file into your library. If the file is a zip archive, extract it with a File Manager app before importing. Imported projects may be in amproj or zip format and need the correct structure to open. Verify file integrity if the app reports an import error during loading. Update Alight Motion if the shared project fails to open in your current version. Check app permissions and grant storage plus media access when imports fail due to restrictions. If tapping the link opens a browser, copy the URL and paste it into the app import dialog. Use a file manager to move downloaded files into a visible folder if Alight Motion cannot find them. For corrupted files, ask the sender to re-export and share the project as a single amproj file. Restart your device if persistent import errors continue to occur.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.